Hello and welcome back to Health and Fitness with Beatrice. I'm so happy to be here with you today, and this today is workout 4 in the 14-day kickstart program. So let's start, okay? So we have got 25 seconds on when you go all in and 25 seconds off. There are 4 different moves and there are 9 exercises, 9.5, almost 10, to get them all into the 7 minutes. I'm just quickly going through them all with you. Jumping jacks, you start there and then you go in and out, okay? We know this one. Then we have bicep curls. To pick up any weights you might have them on your side, shoulders, next to your body, close to your body. This is the starting point. And then we go up and down. Slowly up and slowly down, okay? Then we have jog in place, and you know I will ask you to jog in place, but then I will ask you to sprint all you can with the tiger in the back. Really fight, okay? And run like mad. You know the flight and fight idea. Anyway, dumbbell windmill. So you take another weight, another light weight, and you stand wide and then shoulder width apart. You put it up above your head. You start here, you go there, and then over your head. And then as you are going down on the opposite leg, you look up, and this hand should be in line with each other, and then you go up. This really works the obliques inside, okay? So let's start now. I'm just going to put my little timer on. Okay, are you ready? So it's all in 25 seconds, and then 25 seconds either rest or some light stretches. Okay, let's start now. Jumping jacks. Okay, let's do this. It's 7 minutes. It's workout 4, and you've got 5 to choose between. 25 seconds. Come on, you can do this. You can feel how you lean up and you lose weight and you get healthier with every exercise you are doing. Come on. Marvelous. Now, bicep curls. Pick up the weight. Prepare yourself. And then up and down. I like to mentally prepare myself when I'm doing this exercise. Can you see my legs? Are they soft bent? And then we start. Right. So slowly up and slowly down. And remember to breathe. So we are mixing the cardio with the weight, and then we're doing the core, and then we end with so it's cardio, weight, cardio, and then core. The right order. So now we have jogging place, and you know it's not really jogging place, it's sprinting place. Okay, so while you are waiting, you can always do some full stretches. Now, jog in place, all you can, okay? You sprint. You don't need to have high knees or kick up on your back. Just sprint. Try to get those legs moving as fast as you possibly can. Soft down, tucking your tummy, squeezing your bottom as much as you can, and go for it. Okay, 1 second. Marvelous. Now we are going to do this one here, dumbbell windmill. It's a bit different, but it really works the inside of your muscles. So let's work them from inside and then out. Okay, so start there, up, and then fall down. Okay, are you ready? Up, down. I like to look at the dumbbell I have over my head, just to concentrate. And obviously you tuck in your tummy when you're doing this exercise. Now we are changing, so stay with me. So we are going to do the other side, so we are getting both that oblique and we're doing both inside, okay? Anyway, let's start in 3, 2, up. And you will feel that you are a little bit stiffer on one side. But never mind that. I'm a firm believer that practice makes perfect. Come on. Perfect. Now, we're going to do jumping jacks. We are more than halfway there, okay? So, come on. You start like this and then you jump out like a big, big, wonderful star, okay? So we are starting any seconds here now. 2, now. Come on. This is a great cardio. Come on. We can do this. And if you don't like to walk, jump, you walk, okay? There's nothing wrong and nothing right, okay? You do it to your abilities and you improve each day. Marvelous. Now, bicep curl. So pick up any weights you might have. And now we're going to go up and down. Okay? Any moment now, we are starting. Okay, elbows close to your torso. Now we start. There's not very much left. So stay with me. We can do this. Almost there. The end of the workout 4. Down. Can you feel it in your biceps? Marvelous. Now, jogging pace. So we are giving all we can in this one now for 25 seconds. The jogging pace is really, really sprint to get the heartbeat up and getting the weight loss really kicking. And the health, the cardio. Now, and the better you are in the cardio, the more oxygen to get to your whole system. Okay? Come on. Up with your legs if you want, but I'm just going to run. Sprint, 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 sprint. All I can. I got the tiger chasing me behind me. Come on, come on. It's almost there. Yes, marvelous. Now, we've got one exercise left. And as we did quite a lot on this side, and then bending down there. I'm holding it now in the left hand, going up and then going down. Okay, it's only 15 seconds. 25 seconds. Come on, the last one. Now, we've got one move left, and guess what? That is jumping jack. So we stand like this, and we are preparing to do it. You can do this once or twice, okay? As you like it. Come on, this one is 15 seconds. Come on, 15 seconds. Anybody can do this, I promise you. 15 seconds. Come on, 15 seconds. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Marvelous. How was that? Well done. This was workout 4 out of the 5 workouts. Well done.